Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on what is implicit and what is explicit conversion in SQL Server. Okay, so implicit is something it will done automatically from one data type to other data type in SQL Server during the operation. So when it comes to explicit, okay, it is done manually. So we can use two functions called cast and convert. By using these two functions, we can convert the data types in explicit operation. Okay. So now I will show these two with examples. So first I will take implicit conversion. I am declaring two variables at num. I am giving the data type as integer. I am setting the value as 15. Okay. I am declaring second variable. This time I am giving decimal data type with 10 precision and to scale. I am setting the value as 5.75. Okay, there are the two variables, one is integer variable and second one is a decimal variable. Now I want to add these two variables at num plus at this as new value is my alias column name. Now if you execute this one, it will convert and it will add the two variables automatically. So even though the data types are different here, you can see here integer and decimal. So in this scenario, it is implicit transformation. It will add automatically. We haven't used any cast or convert function. So this is one example for implicit conversion. I will give one more example. This time I am taking the table, EMP table. So here I want to get the record where ID number equal to 2, where ID equal to 2. So this is the query to get the second record. But here instead of giving directly, I am giving the value as like a string. Okay. In this scenario also you will get the output. This is also example for implicit transformation. Okay. Now I will give one more example. Declare date. I am giving date as data type. Set date as I am setting the date as a string format. Okay. Now I am selecting the date. Select at date as so it will convert. So it is automatically done. So I am declaring one variable. I am setting the value as a string format. Okay, this is a string format. So it will take automatically. So even if you give here Nvarchar with 20 length, okay, it will give the output, same output. So I'm setting the value, declaring a variable, and my data type is Nvarchar, which is the string data type. I'm setting the value as date like this. So you will get the output. This is also is example for implicit conversion. Okay. Now, so I will show example what is explicit conversion. Declare So I'm declaring one number variable. I'm giving value as Varchar. Okay. I'm setting the value as this one. Okay. I'm declaring one variable for the data type Varchar 10. I'm setting the value like this. Okay. Now I want to get the data. Select. We can use cast function. This is explicit transformation. So here it is asking expression. So expression here I am taking at num, that is variable. Okay. As I want to convert this as integer. Okay. As new value. You can see 4567. This is actually varchar value. When you provide the value like this, I'm giving the data type as varchar. It is converted by using cast function as integer. Cast as your data type as int, so that it will convert into integer data type. Okay. Next one, declare. So here I am declaring data type variable as one. Okay. Next, I am setting the date as set at date. This variable equal to this. Now I am using convert function. Convert, so it will take target type. I want to convert this as a date. This as a date. Okay. And expression here nothing but your variable name at date. Okay. Next, style here I am giving 120. Okay. So it will convert it as a date data as new date. See, actually this is varchar data type. I am giving value as like this. I want to convert this value in date format. Then you can use convert date. So expression is this variable name, and I am giving style. Okay, so that it will convert into date format. This is example for explicit transformation using convert function. So implicit is something like it will done automatically. Explicit you can do manually using cast and convert functions. I hope you understood what is explicit and what is implicit. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.